My name is Don Hess. I'm the Security Operations Manager at LaBella Associates. We're an architecture and engineering firm in Rochester, New York. We do a lot of different projects with the government and private industry. We've started in on environmental engineering and waste and recycling. We do civil, transportation, buildings engineering, architecture, basically every area of engineering that exists. My role as Security Operations Manager is basically to make sure we don't get hacked primarily and that we're as secure as possible. So securing the perimeter, log monitoring, watching for intrusion attempts, those all fall under my area of responsibility. And that's where ManageEngine products have been helpful. Security is of paramount importance in most AEC industries, but probably with us in particular because we deal a lot with energy infrastructure companies. So a lot of our data is critical energy infrastructure information, which is a special classification of data that needs special handling. So monitoring for compromises, making sure the data is secured, locked down, making sure we don't have any intruders is one of my responsibilities that's very important. IT infrastructure consists of 32 physical sites in addition to our primary location in Rochester.
Hi, my name is Jaden Robideau. I'm the Cloud Services Admin here at LaBella Associates. At LaBella, I manage all of our cloud services. So we have Azure AD, all of our email in the cloud, cloud connected applications like our Autodesk or Adobe, lots of other engineering related apps as well. But connecting them all, making sure they all stay up, making sure all the users can access them, and making sure everything is easy and intuitive for everyone to access and do their job. Been using Endpoint Central for our main endpoint management platform, and then we've been using Service Desk Plus for our help desk and ticket management and asset management. So for Endpoint Central, yeah, we've been using the configuration deployments a lot. We have almost 2,000 employees at this point. So when we need to push an update, it's very easy to add the patch or the update to a configuration deployment or a task deployment and let it go through from there. Or, inventory and asset management all through there as well has been great. It's a great experience for the end users too, because if they ever need assistance, they can just contact us and say, hey, my computer isn't working. And then we can either do a remote control session with them and guide them through their issue, or we'll be able to fix the issue in the back end and just be able to send them a message and say, hey, I found the issue and we were able to fix it. So please confirm and let us know. So compared to what the product we were using before, it's way easier to get access to users' computers, to manage software deployments and manage patches as well. It's easy to kind of find new features and new ways to use it every day. So it's been a great product. We really like it.
I reviewed a bunch of different log collection and management solutions that had some capabilities that ManageEngine has. ManageEngine was an affordable one, didn't break the bank, but still checked all the boxes that we needed.
We had a very basic ticket portal in the past, and it was difficult to see which machine a user was talking about or who the user was, what their email address was. It would only work if you were on the network. So with Service Desk, we were able to set up our whole ticketing system to be able to accept emails as tickets. It's all tied into our Active Directory, so all of the user information is correct and updated. Same thing with the computers and assets and endpoint management, inventory management, whether it be doing updates or patches. Has been made so much easier, and the fact that both of those systems connect to each other and integrate has been great as well. Being able to have a Service Desk ticket and then being able to see that user information on the right side of the page and then go to Endpoint Central and then immediately just kind of click on that side and then make whatever changes you need to do. The fact that they all integrate together so well is very useful and helpful.
We have a lot of security requirements that are customer driven, and we would not be able to meet those without a product that aggregates the logs and gives us the reports we need. It would be way too difficult to assemble that data manually. So we depend on ManageEngine to focus our eyes basically on what's going on.
I'd say the top three things would be ease of use of all the products. 2 would be the support. Whenever we've needed support, the teams have always been quick to respond, easy to access. I really can't think of a time that I wasn't able to reach support within maybe 10 minutes of my issue, whether it be through email or a chat or a phone call. Always good to know that everyone's there to support us. And then 3 is the integration capabilities between them all. It makes it really nice to be able to be in our service desk and then immediately or through the integration take an action in Endpoint Central, maybe send a script or send a configuration, all from the ticket, install a piece of software just straight from the ticket window. Those are probably my 3 favorite. If they're looking for a great value product that scales really well and then also has great features that are easy for a wide range of teams to use and adopt, definitely check out Endpoint Central, Service Desk, any of the ManageEngine products. I definitely recommend them.
Every time we've had a need, it's been met, and support has been great in helping us. We've never had trouble getting to the bottom of any issue.